If you're just joining us, we've been riding around the world for over a year. We set out in March 2022 along with our German Shepherd Moxie from Guatemala, where we were living for the past 6 years. The mission is to raise $100,000 for Girl Up, a nonprofit that's dear to my heart. And so far, we've raised $18,000. The other goal is to show the beauty and quality performance of Moxie's ethical outdoor dog gear, which we make through our brand GoRUFFLY. We also wanted to show that her K9 Moto cockpit, which is another GoRUFFLY creation, can take her safely around the world with me. So we set off. First stop, the Arctic Ocean. On the way north, we tackled an iron tail ride. That's 1,000 miles in less than 24 hours with a dog on the back. Then we had to replace my motorcycle because she was leaking oil and mysteriously stalling in idle. Riding my new U650 GS Luna Laguna, Moxie and I reached the Arctic Ocean where we dipped our paws in the sea. Next, we turned south to reach the Antarctic. That's when personal tragedy struck. Passing through Guatemala, Greg was hit by a chicken bus on the Pan-American Highway. His hand was smashed and his motorcycle was totaled. A week later, Moxie went in for a routine knee surgery after sustaining an injury while running. A few days later, she passed away suddenly due to complications. Heartbroken and reeling, once the pins and cast were removed from Greg's hand, we went on a motorcycle pilgrimage to help grieve the loss. We visited people who do extraordinary things with their dogs to celebrate the bonds they share. We received incredibly heartwarming encouragement from all you wonderful folks who've been joining along on the adventure. And some generous partners signed on to lend their support, including Tractive and Triumph North America. After completing the pilgrimage this summer, Whimsy, who's a white Swiss Shepherd, yes, that's an actual breed, she joined our pack to continue the world adventure. She's a puppy now, but she's on her way to becoming a beautiful and formidable 80-pound she-wolf. We're over a year into this groundbreaking journey, but in a lot of ways, it feels like we're just starting out. Welcome to GoRUFFLY Around the World, and thanks for joining us.